Yo, what's up, people? So apparently it's Christmas today. It has to be because I got presents in my mail. So welcome to another Unbox and Chill. I'm no reviewer. I'm just gonna open toys and babble. That's pretty much it. So this came in the mail. Really big box. It is the Stoneheart Predator from the game Concrete Jungle. So apparently, unlike the Lost Tribe, they didn't use the artist for new illustrations on the top of the box, which is sad. Because like for me personally, the illustration on the Lost Tribe really sold it for me. So this is the guy. This is the art we're getting this time. Showing some glare issues. Professional as always, I know. Alright. So this is him. Really big box. So I think they're using some parts from the armored assassin from Predators, right? That's why they're producing this guy. And check out the LED functions. The lighting of this guy is insane. So apparently this is one of the Predators who got captured, and then he is modified into a cyborg, a Predator cyborg. So who did the, let's do some credits. Official product, seal right there. And let's see who did the illustration. Michael Montanet. Alright, did the illustration. Now, apparently this is like a test run of him after being modified and fighting off some aliens. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. Let's take a look. Oh, there's two magic tapes this time because he's big. Because he's a big boy. Here you go. Illustration picture here. And our dude here. Let's see if I got a good one. Yeah, mine's painting's really decent. They really amped up the silver on the knives this time. The veins are a little thick on the mandibles, but yeah, even got like game-like graphics at the end, at the box. Glare. Can you go away, Glare? All right, let's go. You ready? I'm ready. As always. Alright, let's get him out of the box. Deluxe Stoneheart Predator. Put the box in the back so you can see. There's our guy. There's a big boy this time. So we got two pairs of claws and exchangeable hands, 2 pairs. And mandibles. So we're gonna free him and we're gonna check out the lighting function first, which I'm most excited for. So let's experience this moment together. which will be gone forever. Something about the glare. Like for unboxing videos, this is always the most exciting part for me. Like actually experiencing the opening. So this one's already loose. Cut this one. Okay, this one. And this one. Alright. We got a free Predator. Huh. There's still something wrapping the head apparently. Where is it? Can't see shit, Captain. Oh, so apparently they added something to hold the head this time, which I cannot see. Risky move. Don't do this at home, guys. There we go. He's out. Alright, let's take a look. Very cool. Check the joints on your Neca toys. Even you got the official seal of approval. Oh, this is really cool. This is almost like Dr. Octavius stuff. Got a little bit of a hunchback. Alright, so how do you turn off the lights? Tell me. Need to know now. How does the turn on the lighting function? Oh, I think it's here on the head, is it? No. Alright, exchangeable mandibles this time to spare you from changing the head itself. So it's a whole new head sculpt. It's pretty cool. And let's check out how do we light this baby on. Switch power on and off, which is inside the head apparently. So we need to crack open his skull. There it is. Alright, you ready? Are you ready? Alright, let's do it the right way. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. This might take a while. So apparently it's poppy. So I'll let you enjoy him for a while. I'll pick up the batteries. Faster than I thought. This would be like a hour-long video about a guy picking up batteries. How entertaining would that be? Alright, you ready? Got your pants down? And it doesn't work. Did I got a bad one? What's the deal here? Why isn't mine lighting up? Toys, people. Toys. Alright, apparently my batteries are facing down. Let's see, is that the correct way? I think they put it the wrong direction. Let's find out, shall we? Hopefully don't drop out on me this time. Nice. Last one. Alright. The other way around. Ooh, yes, it works. You ready? Psh, wow. Check that out. Very cool. But why isn't these lighting up? Huh? Did I get a bad one? I think this is supposed to light up as well. Anyway, straight down cool, huh? Alright, I'll find out if I got a bad one afterwards. But that has to be pretty cool. And then they're not hiding. They're hiding the switch properly this time, unlike the Cyber Shock one. So here's another look. To our guy, to our big boy. Pretty cool. And then size comparison. This is Crocker. This guy's towering over Crocker, as you can see. Another size comparison. The recent, wow, look at that. This dude's huge. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it as well as I am. If you're waiting for your orders, I hope this helps for you to wait for yours. And peace out.